Proceedings before a trial by Yeison Cam. In the arresting phase, to make an arrest, the police either need a search warrant or enough probable cause to take you into custody. The police will then inform you of your Miranda rights, which are: you have the right to remain silent, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you. Do you understand the rights I have just read to you? With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me? Our fictional character that we have is a 2006 Toyota Corolla, and it was arrested because the driver, not the owner, had a sizable quantity of alcoholic beverages. The driver was not arrested on any charges, and there is no other evidence against the car. Booking. In this step, the accused is taken into the police station where they will be ID'd and have their prints and mugshot taken. Initial appearance. Here, the accused is put before a magistrate or a judge and is told of what charges they are accused of committing and asked if they need a court-appointed lawyer or not. Bail hearing. In the bail hearing, a magistrate or judge will, depending on the risk of the person and the severity of the charges they are facing, will be told if they have or have not made bail, and if they have, how much. The car did not receive any bail due to the crime they committed. Prosecutor's info and preliminary hearing. The details of the charges are brought before the defendant, and the information collected during the initial investigation is brought before them as a formal criminal charge and is filed with the court. In the preliminary hearing is the screening process to determine if the accused has enough evidence or probable cause to make the defendant stand trial. Arraignment and pleas. The defendant will appear in a court and will formally answer to the charges they are accused of. If the defendant pleads guilty, then a judge will set a date for sentencing. Otherwise, a date for the trial will be set, and the defendant can say if they would like a trial by jury. The defendant can also choose to plead no contest. Here, they neither confirm nor deny the accusation brought before them. It is equal, however, to a guilty plea, but will not be brought up in a civil trial. The car for itself cannot plea. However, the owner of the car can pay the department that seized it a stipend or show up on its behalf to regain the car, which is unlikely. And the final step is a trial. Here, the jurors in a trial will stand before a judge and will meet in a unanimous decision whether or not the accused is guilty or not. And they must be certain beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant is guilty.